Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel where we talk about science behind skincare, a lot of product and challenge videos, and sometimes I post related to fashion and some of my personal vlogs. So if that interests you and if that's your thing, make sure you subscribe to my channel and hit on the notification bell as well so you never miss any of my videos. And if you're not following me on Instagram, then come and say hi and let's be friends there as well. Now without wasting a minute, let's get started. So a lot of you were asking me for anti-acne skincare routine or products which works wonderfully for acne prone skin. So I have these three products right here with me and they are meant for oily and acne prone skin types. All of these three products are from Wow Skin Science. So first product I have here is with me this Wow Ka anti-acne face wash. This has tea tree essential oil, neem leaf, mulberry and licorice extract, and this gonna control your acne, blackheads and whiteheads, and if you have any redness or itchiness then it's gonna ease that out, and if you have acne scars and spots, and then this gonna lighten up your spots. And this product is paraben free, silicone free, sulfate free, and there is no color added, and the product is dermatologically tested as well. Now let's quickly read about their claims and the main ingredients. Now the first, they have said that it has tea tree essential oil and neem leaf extract which gonna prevent the acne causing bacteria from infecting the pores, and it do have salicylic acid which gonna act as exfoliant and which gonna remove the dead skin cells and gonna unclog your pores. It do contain aloe vera which gonna tone and hydrate your skin and gonna make your skin soft, and if you have redness and itchiness it gonna soothe that out as well. And the direction of use is very simple. You guys know how you have to wash your face, but with this you have to massage it for at least 30 to 60 seconds because जो इसके अंदर essential tea tree essential oil है and neem extract है, उसको काम करने के लिए थोड़ा सा टाइम आपको देना पड़ेगा। अगर आपको बहुत ज़्यादा पिंपल्स का इशू है तो मेरा सजेशन आपको ये होगा कि आप इसको 1 मिनट के लिए अपने फेस पे रहने दें, बिकॉज इसका जो टेक्सचर है दैट इज़ जेल लाइक, तो आप इसको अच्छे से स्प्रेड करके अपने फेस पे रहने दें एंड देन इसको मसाज करके वॉश ऑफ कर लें, सो आपको ज़्यादा उससे अच्छे बेनिफिट्स मिलेंगे। सेकेंड प्रोडक्ट आई हैव दिस एंटी एक्ने फेस सीरम. नाउ दिस वन इज अगेन enriched with neem leaf oil, tea tree oil, cannabidiol, live fruit extract and dextrane and tripeptide 1. Again the product is dermatologically tested and free from parabens, silicons, and there is no fragrance, and this product is suitable for all skin types including the oily skin. This gonna help in controlling your acne and it gonna brighten up your complexion, but this is not that kind of a serum, you know, जो आपको पूरे फेस पे लगाना है. It's a spot therapy. That means इसको आपको just as a spot treatment use करना है, not like your regular serum. It's not that regular serum. It's a highly concentrated serum which you should apply just right above your active acne or if there is any acne scar, so just use it as a spot treatment. What this product claim is, this product says that it gonna reduce your acne breakout, it gonna fade your scars and spots, it's gonna purify and minimize your pores, it gonna repair and boost your skin renewal process, and it gonna enhance the collagen and elastin production, and it gonna even out your skin and it gonna calm down your redness. And मैंने भी इसको जब भी यूज़ किया है, मैंने इसको एज अ स्पॉट ट्रीटमेंट ही यूज़ किया है. मैं इसको पूरे फेस पे नहीं लगाती हूँ बिकॉज आई एम अ ड्राई स्किन एज वेल. सो अगर आपका स्किन ड्राई प्लस एक्ने प्रोन है तब मैं आपको सजेस्ट करूँगी कि आप इसको सिर्फ एज अ स्पॉट ट्रीटमेंट ही यूज़ करें, पूरे फेस पे ना लगाएं. बट इफ़ यू आर ऑयली एंड एक्ने प्रोन एंड सीवियरली एक्ने प्रोन स्किन, देन आप इसको पूरे फेस पे भी लगा सकते हो. लाइक अगर आपके पूरे फेस पे एक्नेज हैं तो आप इसको पूरे फेस पे भी अप्लाई कर सकते हो. द नेक्स्ट प्रोडक्ट इन द लिस्ट इज दिस एंटी एक्ने नीम टी ट्री क्ले फेस मास्क. नाउ दिस प्रोडक्ट अगेन हैज़ नीम एक्सट्रैक्ट, टी ट्री एसेंशियल ऑयल, it has bentonite and jojoba oil. It gonna refresh, refine your acne prone skin, and again the product is dermatologically tested. Alright, now let's talk about their key ingredients, what they are claiming. First thing, they have this neem extract which is rich in antioxidant and vitamin C which gonna protect your skin from sun damage, and it gonna restore your collagen production, and if you having excess sebum production then it gonna control that. And second thing, it has tea tree essential oil which gonna act as astringent and again gonna control your excess even production. Next thing, it has Bentonite, which is volcanic ash clay, which gonna draws out all of your impurities from your pores and skin and gonna boost your blood circulation. And next thing, it has jojoba oil, which is rich in vitamin B and E, which gonna help in skin repairing and gonna protect your skin from aging and further damage. Now this mask is supposed to apply once or twice a week, not more than that. And direction, you guys all know how you have to use your clay mask. Like, you have to clean your face, then apply this on your damp skin, don't let it dry. You can apply this with the spatula which they have given with this product, or you can use your fingers as well. I prefer my fingers. And then apply it evenly, avoiding your eye area, your brows and lip and hairline area, and then keep it for 15 minutes and then rinse it off with the plain water, and then moisturize your skin. And as I told you, use just twice a week, not more than that, right? So these were the 3 products which I was talking today. And one more thing quickly I'm gonna tell you is this brand is cruelty free and it's 100% vegan, and it's a made in India brand. And one more thing is quickly I'm gonna tell you is about this barcode over here. ये आपको हर प्रोडक्ट पे इनके मिल जाएगा. What you can do is आप किसी भी QR स्कैनर से इसको स्कैन कर सकते हो टू चेक द ऑथेंटिसिटी ऑफ द प्रोडक्ट. एंड जब आप इसको स्कैन करेंगे, यू गोना गेट सम ऑफ द पॉइंट्स विच यू कैन रिडीम ऑन देयर ऐप. एंड इफ यू डोंट नो, देन वाओ हैव देयर ओन ऐप नाउ. You can directly order from their app. I have given the link in the description box. Yeah, these were the 3 products, and I hope you found this video helpful. Video helpful laga hai, then make sure you like this video and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. I will see you in my next video, guys. Till then, take care and stay beautiful. Bye bye.